Saturday morning, 9 a.m., 88 degrees. What do we want to do? We want to go into our greenhouse and make room. We need to make room because I cannot walk inside my greenhouse without taking anything out. So, have like a couple ficus cuttings. If you follow my page on Facebook, Bonsai Henderson, Kento no Bonsai, I have some cute brown ginseng ficus or brown bark ginseng ficus on sale for 10 bucks. Come on, you can't beat that. You hear this little humming noise? This is actually a fan that was too noisy for inside the house, so it works perfectly here in the greenhouse just to get air circulation going on in here. So that's what we're doing. Maybe just turn him off. All right. This one is not for sale, but this one will be featured in different videos, or has been featured in different videos. This is Malpighia. Another one, Premna. I picked him up from Cactus and Tropicals. I think I may have spoken about him. He's actually doing quite well. Got him in a cute little pot, a little bit more well-draining soil, but he kind of like perked up a little bit. We have some different type of agave. This is agave attenuata. Very cute, fluffy, not like an evil agave like how some of the desert agaves are. These are a little bit more cold sensitive. Have one and have two of them. I like doing rescue plants. It's a rescue ficus from somewhere. Oh, that's a rescue plant from where I used to work years ago at a local nursery here in Las Vegas. They know who they are. They know who I am. This one has been posted before. He does need a haircut. This is a tiger bark ficus. A little leggy right now, but I'm just letting him grow, letting him get used to his new pot. Some different ficus that I just have to have. I don't know why, but the greenhouse is like the perfect place to put it. Summertime, shade cloth over it, keeps in the humidity. Wintertime, I changed out the fan to a heater, keeps it at 50 degrees during the wintertime in here, and everything seems to like it. This is called Kanya. For those who speak English, this is sugar cane, just from cutting from a grocery store, growing in a greenhouse. This one is Duranta. He's kind of like a rescue of a rescue because the top was dying. They are a little cold sensitive, but he's been doing fine here in the greenhouse. So this is Duranta. They get pretty flowers on them though too, like either white or blue flowers. Hey, some fresh cuttings, fresh ficus cuttings. More than likely ginseng ficus, but I do have two varieties of ginseng ficus cuttings. A brown bark variety and then like a paler bark variety. This is the paler bark variety. Hey, we're almost to the back. All right, this one is not for sale. If anybody's ever heard of the stinky flower, the death flower, this is a variety of one of those. But it dies down in the wintertime, but it comes up with, say, like new bulbs, so he's probably going to be replanted. Another little rescue from Cactus and Tropicals up in Sandy, Utah, Salt Lake area. I can't remember the name of this one. He's really cool. And as we are slowly moving more, hey, it's a pot of nothing. Got cool little ficus, variegated, deltoidy. You know, now we can actually walk back here a little bit. All right, rescue plant, put them in this beautiful pot. Sorry, this is my private collection one. This is not for sale. And an accompanying other types of ficus. I'll have another video about ficus because I need to write them down because there's just so many cool ones that I find. We have this beautiful, huge ficus right here. I potted him like last year around the same time. But this one is an interesting one because it has grafted on different ficus for like the head and for like say some of the branches. It actually is that in nature and not this, which has been grafted. It's like the first one that I have like this, and I do have a second one that is like that also. Again, it's like I collect all sorts of like ficus from different places, try and rehabilitate them in my greenhouse. This is a beautiful, healthy one. So yeah, I wasn't kidding when I said I had like say 20 different ficus in here. Ficus umbellata, umbrella ficus, a couple different ones. I can't remember the name of that one. This one looks like an avocado leaf, but it actually is a ficus. Oh yeah, this is a rescue one. Oh my gosh, it's like very silvery, whitish looking. That's beautiful. It's been trained. You know, ficus like a Benjamin ficus, variegated variety. See, I'm already talking about the ficus, and I haven't even started the next video for the ficus alone. All right, now we can actually walk back through our greenhouse, have a nice little path, and we can actually be inside our greenhouse.